What if you could make money online recommending other people's products, without creating your own product, without showing your face, and without paid ads? In this video, I'll show you a complete beginner-friendly guide to affiliate marketing, step by step. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. When someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. The reason affiliate marketing works is simple. Businesses already need traffic and sales, and they're willing to pay commissions to people who bring them customers. Step 1 is choosing the right product. Don't promote random products. Choose products that solve real problems and already sell. You can get affiliate links from platforms like affiliate networks, software companies, online courses, and digital tools. Step 2 is tools. You need a research tool, a content creation tool, and a link tracking tool. Many of these tools have free plans, so beginners can start with zero budget. Step 3 is promotion. You don't need to show your face. You can create short educational videos, AI promo videos, or simple posts that give value and recommend the product. Step 4 is free traffic. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels give beginners free exposure when they post consistently. Most beginners fail because they promote random products, spam links, or quit too early. Affiliate marketing rewards consistency, not shortcuts. Step 6 is scaling. Repeat what works, post consistently, and focus on one niche. This is how affiliate marketing turns into steady monthly income. If you want a beginner-friendly checklist that breaks everything down step by step, check the description. Subscribe for more income ideas.
Welcome to AmenDigital Cash Flow, where ideas become income.